Hello there. What's going on, guys? This is part 2 of our Path of Exile Joystick series, where we attempt to play Path of Exile 2 on a joystick. We have chosen Mercenary. We decided to actually go fully solo self-found in the league, and as a quick recap, we have done quite well, with the exception of Bearer of the Rotten Pack. Otherwise, it's been a lot of fun. Found ourselves a pretty good crossbow here in this second half of Act 1, and continued to get through the rest of the cemetery and onward onto the Act boss. I have not done a mercenary before, which is the class we are running, or at least not with a crossbow. I did do a minion build once. Otherwise, it's been quite a lot of fun, and I guess we can get right into it, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's play on a joystick. That is a creepy looking character. Alright, whatever. Gonna get right into it. I gotta remember all these buttons. Alright, I really need a crossbow that isn't doo-doo. I have not even found a single white crossbow on the ground. Wow. We found our first crossbow!
No room.
You're gonna make room? Excuse me. I don't even know why I have the shabby hood in here. This is a lady minding her business. I'm like, hi! Buy my stuff! Yeah, Draven. He's definitely harder than what's her face. Oh, that did a lot of damage. Woo! Oh, I don't know why I just randomly decided to go look over at the other screen and just turn back. I almost had him.
Join my steeple of death.
Steeple. Not today, he says.
Your meaningless life ends now. Cut down. The spirit's hunger. Your soul is mine.
That doesn't do much damage at all.
Not yet. Your soul is mine.
Alright, I'm gonna try freaking armor again.
Rend your soul. Your meaningless life ends now. Cut down. Your soul is mine.
Oh, stop it.
Rend your soul. Your soul is mine. Your meaningless life ends now.
Ow, ow, ow. My mouse is off screen.
Cut down.
Okay. All tapped out with the mouse. That's the first time that's happened. I was running so hard. Well. Here, now we can get a little bit of a visual comparison. Real quick, let me just move this over to permafrost.
To regret your intrusion here.
Yep. There we go.
Stop them in their tracks.
Cut down.
And then it swap skills on accident.
Cut down. I will end your meaningless life. The spirits yearn. Your meaningless life ends now.
I'm not actually sure that's doing more damage.
Your soul.
Just because the level 3 skill gem. Yeah, I'm actually doing more with fragmentation grenade. But the freezing was nice. Let me just eat everything. Thankfully I got a little bit of armor, so I can tank some hits. I gotta not try to roll that close to him, especially on that side of him, because he can hit you with the sword itself. I got a little bit of life regen too, is it?
Intrusion will be punished.
Ow! Ow!
Your intrusion will be punished.
Kind of missed the double barrel already.
I am here by the loving.
Oi! Okay, we're good.
Rend your soul. To me, Asinia, I will end.
I'm gonna do something dumb here. Nope, okay. Well, I did say I was gonna do something dumb.
The spirits yearn. Succumb to the Empire. I will end your meaningless life. My beloved Asinia. Intrusion will be punished. Succumb to the Empire. Servants, obey. Come down. Your soul is mine. My beloved Asinia. Rend your soul. Spirits hunger. My beloved Asinia.
Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? Alright, we got this. We got this.
Intrusion will be punished.
Whoa.
Your meaningless life ends now. I am your master.
Break him. Alright, we got this. Just walk up.
Cannot stop.
Boom! Shotgun to the face. If anyone needs to kill the ADC out there, just pull out your shotgun and put it on his face.
We poke it a fool.
Not even close, dude. Well, I'm missing two, so don't feel bad. Hey, look at me consoling the rare that's trying to kill me. Alright, so we got this guy to look at. +2 to all projectile skills? Okay. Okay, we're moving that one over to right. Alright, let's kill her. I killed your boyfriend. Now it's your turn. Why is she strong against armor too? It's okay though, I do have so much more break now. Oh, look at that damage. It's night and day.
To me, Draven.
That's all your boyfriend's got? You know, at least that tells you she's loyal. Because if it was the Countess, she'd be like, "You were supposed to do more, husband. Goodbye." Let me out. Alright, that's fine. Look at that. Easy. If you put on your not bad crossbow before fighting, you do a lot better. Alright, now it's Lachlann. Going straight to Lachlann. 1-2 punch. Or I guess, I don't know. They slow you, and then he slam you. Whatever. If I can just eat the slam, I might. And that one, he hits me with that at the same time, though. Chunky. I like it. Oh, okay, the chilled ground drives me nuts too. Just realized on chill ground, almost died for it. Got him, just like that. Pretty easy breezy fight. I died once, the classic chill and slam. I think it's pretty obvious Crowbell's favorite food is Taco Bell. I think we know. Crowbell's favorite food is definitely Taco Bell.
Am I seeing things?
You are seeing things, but they're not the wrong things. Oh, Crowbell's autos are really bad. And he's gonna be running. He's running up that hill. I'm gonna get you.
Oh, sure done it now.
One more. Bada bing, bada boom. Interesting. I don't think he's doing very good.
Not today.
I'm off the screen. You went too far.
Not yet.
Hey, stop it. I could have sworn the bell was ringing when I shot it, so I tried to shoot it there.
This is bloody
Book
work.
of Specialization, Greater Mana Flask. Hype. No! No! His health, he was this close to dead. This close. Alright. Oh, I guess it's a lot quicker. I do think he has the most annoying debuff in the game. To not move or move. It's possible that you can just break these totems and then it he doesn't do it. There we go. Good break. Great break. Some might say the greatest break I've ever heard. Look at me. These silly things. I'm gonna leave that one out. Actually, you're not gonna hear that one from me again. Actually, you might, but. At least I had enough to take that one that time. Oh, wait, that was not the move I was thinking he was doing. My bad. One more. Boom, boom. Yeah, I just kind of ate that stupid stun buff. We are looking fine on flasks though. Nope, nope, nope. Oh! Oh, he still got the move off. But we got him though. Boom! Look at that. Alright, there's a... Yeah! Now we're thinking. Big boy in him. Alright. Loot the loot. Loot the loot. Loot the loot. I've gotten the loot, should I? Hey. Hey. You are not allowed in this house. Back up. Back up. No one is allowed in Una's house. You don't spawn here. You don't walk in here. You don't touch. Yeah, check this out. I got a straw cap on this thing someone gave me for Christmas. It's got a little frog on it. He's so happy. Ribbit. But really, what are frogs? Doo-doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. This is personal, yeah. This is for that guillotine. Oh, I'm just gonna face tank a little bit. No, not that move. Nice try.
That's down here.
What am I doing? I gotta make it run. I'm kind of absolutely crushing him, dude. Just absolutely crushing him. Look at that. First try, obliterated him. Whoa, a Chancellor. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is too many enemies for me. Can you calm down, please? No, please! No, I want the gem! No! Am I crazy, or did it just get rid of my, magnified effect twice? Oh shit, I don't have an intel. Wow, I am not the brightest character right now.
All I did was touch it.
All I did was touch it.
Ever further into the dark. Shadows hover above us,
Look at that damage.
watching and waiting. What sickness has come among us that so unsettles our minds? It sits poised to strike. Nowhere is safe.
Man, we doing some damage though. Oh, he's doing some damage though. It's fine though. Candlemass, more like candle grass. Alright, we got him.
Always did say religion is dangerous.
It's working, it's working! Now this is pod racing! Are you whining? It's okay, Bubs. It's okay. The widow mobsters. Boom goes the dynamite.
Interloper has the power we need. Kill him, and you shall have everything I promised.
No noose this
You can kill me 100 times, and she will continue to leave you, Geonor. You really believe this, fool?
easy prey.
I stood right on that. I'm dead, aren't I? Okay, I've never under the ramparts there. I got frozen too. That was a big problem. My cold res is just terrible. We did it. Alright, that's 12 more cold resistance. Nah. Alright, third try is the charm.
No noose this time. I'll remove your head myself.
Need more time. Get out of the way!
First one's higher. You'll pay with your life.
I was like standing still and you. So I had 12% cold resist right there, saving my life.
You dare mock me.
I do dare. Look at that.
First one's higher.
Can't do nothing. You bad in your first phase. Oh, I'm bad in your first phase. Nice minions. Don't do your jump. Good. Nope. We gotta focus on dodging him this one, because if we get frozen, we're just kind of screwed. There we go. Yeah, put that over there in the wall in the corner. What is that? He's about to get stunned, and he's just like, no, I think I'm invincible to it. Oh, I did that way too early. Not the detonate, the dodge. Oh my goodness, look at me, I'm bad.
Forsaken frosts, as cold as death,
Cold as ice.
Balor's misery.
Make the sacrifice. Alright, now we're just going to use these. Oh, didn't run in a straight line because apparently that's hard. Oh no, not should have crossed over there.
Solstice of pain.
Some serious damage with this shotgun blast. Oh no!
I will take out your hearts and favor each.
Almost got hit by that. Alright, I think we got him. I think we got him. Just gotta survive this phase. I mean, not preemptively. Oh no! Okay, we're good.
As swift as death, and imbued by the moon, cursed or gifted, branded and afflicted, your veins soon chilled. Agna shall slay again.
No!
Take out your hearts.
Got him. Boom, baby! It's all thanks to this bow right here. Thank you, bow. I owe you my life. Ha! Now who's stuck in the ramparts? Ha ha! That's, yeah, that's the rest of Act 1 there. It was pretty fun. I enjoyed it. Didn't die very much. Died to Draven, died to Geonor, twice, once to, maybe twice to Draven, once to King of the Mist, but that's about it. Crowbell was a joke. We're doing pretty good here. Yeah, this is going pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time.